Live from Sacramento, California, 2023, January the 4th. It's the Sacramento Informer, talking about 5G dangers, vax dangers, Wi-Fi dangers. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, it's I've never got to use this word. There's gale force winds out here, guys. It's gale force. It's gale force. It's gale force winds. I just got out, just bought some coffee, and the winds, the force of the winds, gale force. Like, you ever heard of Air Force Ones? Well, these were gale force 1 winds. Gale force, like it's about to flood out here, and gale force. The word of the day is gale force.